Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have an online workshop coming up called Abstracting Landscapes, and that is on the 21st of January at 11 a.m. So that is based on this YouTube video, and I'll put the link in the description. And what I basically did is I had a photograph of Scotland, and I was just looking at the basic shapes and laying those down in watercolour and trying to really simplify the landscape and, creating a semi-abstract sketch, really. Now, the workshop will be based on this, but we don't necessarily have to use the photo that I'm using. You could use your own photo. I'll just be covering the principles, really, and talking about laying the paint down and different brushes and colour harmony and mixing neutrals and anything else that you want to discuss. There'd be 6 people in the group, there'd be a maximum of 6 people in the group, but it could be less, of course. And I will be giving feedback during the session, and I'll also be giving feedback after the session. So if you'd like to join me, then click on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to the workshop. And if you would like to do a workshop but you can't attend this one, I do have other workshops available. There's a link for those as well, and you can join my mailing list, and there you will be kept up to date with what workshops I have on in the future. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.